Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, heated seats, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, XM satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.